Kaidupi hasil thot dieng kalau play peba ya katup banikong jongki kendai ngut ki Kyrtong jongka kiban yakun hak election MDC ka JHADC Rilum Garo kepala bu benlong haurusau mentau senam ha katai katup ningkong kepala menjur dok presiden rangba jong katai keseng kidan kendai ngut ki Kyrtong na ki district beper ka Rilum Garo ite ki kendai ngut ki lo opinion ro em sangma nasiju rongra konsensi uplibat em sangma na wagisek konsensi ka tengsil w moment na telsrong konsensi u anan em marak na karkuta Usilman en Marak na Sabada, Maham Singh M Sangma na William Nagar, Henen M Sangma na Dalugre Constituency, Buter M Sangma na Amang Para Constituency, but Utinas Mumin na Tura Constituency. Katba ka NPP kelapun benakat kendai ngut ki Kyrtong election jongka hakatai ka election MDC HGHDC kiba kentop yu albinus armarak na siju sigal en sangma na wagisek unilat s marak na silgre pakrak CH sangma na ronggri kimgre sengchim en sangma na gasupara umek kenson CH marak na babel para stiner armarak na aman para Dr. Heavy Jiminy M Momin na tura Boston C marak na nogor para dipul armarak na rochan para roynat di sangma na bata bari Benedict R marak na rak samgre Graham Bell e sangma na jengjal Sukram ke sangma na rongrong Rakman CH marak na bolsong Doli ke sangma na damasa Edibat en marak na karkuta Brilliant R sangma na samanda Metrin Son J Momen na darugre bat udenang ti sangma na William Nagar ka BJP bat ka kongres hadu mentaru keempat permenai ki Kyrtong election jengki henry ka GNC keladap an permenai laingun hakathuk banikong jongka ka BJP kelas 2 bahkan peniyang kumbasan ngut ki Kyrtong hakatai election GHADC
kami kejengkeli kay kadaw bertau ya kasendiri daw sangkai kabla tau ya kasendiri na tenang or kadai bantu penyedia lang ya kasendiri baru barang terjun persyang kaseng HQ kaseng PDSC but HSPDP terjun lang dengan baik kemauan kalian menjur dan tentu noi itu kaseng pada dua oleh jadi bahan penmit mai dan dari parti PDP rakyat kita ada berpeluang itu dan wanita ia kata berjumpa mendancing jadi akan mau upor baru kibadon o kaseng yang kali kaseng PDP yung kachingan lo di kumakhaw kalong ban yale ban manra ya kachingan lo yung fay bakini ka aspiration di bolsin ni dia kare kaya ka kachingan lo yung fay bakini jala ni ito mau mansya di ngere yung gilibanyo na yung basket nang banyala bansun syara nadi yadi oleh kami kita kejengkuan bansun syara nadi hakatu bakor ni kemi kejeng lebar bor pelan yung kasokar asam na kemau tu ko menang kuliah high school tu kelas 8 kelas 9 na masyun shit pa but nanti tahu ke volunteer yang school pada jago bahupin pada orang ni berang Royal State Norris na ada pun yang sama sama jadi kuat ini tu por benar dia kira sila jom banyak layu hadin berayu kami kejeng kali keipat kebanyakan mandai ngelayu pasti ilmu sibol ke approach tu por nak mau hati election kebentukan arbut langut ke leader jom ke efficiency atau por iom ilat pun ya Oslo ayat yang pangin ke Oslo dengan pun kiwat dengan kena arus nanti kita orang cek betul hibam hi terrekam dekata kajian lo juga itu por kalon pasti monra ya ke kikuan kapor bayale ke state.
I think this is one strength that we really need to leverage upon. It is unfortunate that as it stands today, we are still suffering from a huge hangover from the past. and that is right from the time of the British, who perhaps used a policy of divide and rule in order to be able to control us. And till today, we still look at our differences not as reasons to work with each other, but we look at our differences as reasons for conflict. And that is the sad part. The sooner we can overcome this problem, I think the better our future is going to be. The third factor that is a strength of the Northeast is the fact that we have natural, unspoiled people. Unlike the rest of the country, the rest of the world, where development has gone on at such a quick pace, we still have pockets which are unspoiled, we still have pockets which are natural, and we still have pockets which are able to actually attract people from other places to come to our region. We have to take advantage of. Then we have skilled youth and friendly people. Our youth are very, very skilled. Today, in India, and recently, when we had the big problem in Bangalore, suddenly all the people of the Northeast decided to move out of Bangalore. Bangalore. All the hotels closed down, all the restaurants closed down, shops closed down. The whole economy almost broke down. Just because of the fact that Northeast people decided to move out of Bangalore. Now this is a huge strength. This is a huge strength. It's another matter that we are not able to retain them in the Northeast. It's another matter that they have to leave the Northeast and look for jobs elsewhere.